What keeps your clients up at night? Do they need to increase efficiencies so they can outpace their competition? Maybe they need more opportunities in their pipeline, or clear and actionable information so they can make better informed business decisions. All great reasons, and they're some of the same reasons many AEs have connected at Victoriam with their manufacturing clients. Manufacturers need a partner that can automate and integrate their Salesforce platform with their ERP and other back-end systems. It's this connecting system that will help streamline and automate processes and create that 360-degree view to personalize customer interactions and drive performance. We are a Platinum Salesforce partner and a MuleSoft partner. We have a strong history of successfully implemented projects, as evidenced by our high CSAT ratings and our ratings on the Salesforce App Exchange. We specialize in complex multi-cloud implementations and integrations. Our manufacturing-focused team has extensive experience and certifications across the clouds, and it's this experience and expertise that helps us drive custom-tailored solutions to your client's specific business needs. We'll begin with an in-depth discovery that drives towards a strategic roadmap leveraging Salesforce products. They'll thank us for phase one and look to continue the relationship. We don't just deliver projects on time and on budget. We look to foster a long-term relationship that leads to growth on the Salesforce platform. Call us and let's talk about your client's specific needs. Then, if we're a fit, we'll look to help you close the deal and foster that relationship long-term. We look forward to hearing from you.